Kabisa pa ni Francia, oh. Yan. Yan ang aming side na
as long as you may people, she shall exist forever. Wherever you go, there, as I thought about you, she is the bright view of all of yes, Bataan in Corridor. To us, you are all
Kabisa pa ninyo.
colored peace is bunting with the sun in the sky. To us, you are the loving personification of the blood of our birth.
After me na lang.
Taking part of the struggle of men long since led in the peace and liberty of our generation.
Camarines Norte National Agricultural School.
Tapos natin gawin ang pambansa awit ng Pilipino.
Yellow and green. Kalabasa. We're almost thousands.
Oh, 1, 2, 3 shot.
Once again.
Oh, kami. Ako ba di lumaki?
Ah!
Wala na.
Yung mas magagaling ay pagkilala yung mga naririto na. Salmonera Vidal. Para pagkakas natin. Madami pa hinahanap.
Ito, si Mary. Mary. Mary Lambert.
Lamberte.
Yan, Mary Lambert.
From Washington.
Sila na lang natin, Sarah.
Niya ay baraka kaya grabe.
Sana sila ngayon mga nagtuturo.
Wala naman pala sila. Mga retire na.
Yung cellphone ko sa mga
Hindi nagbago sila.
kaya ako nag-birthday at
James.
sa
Science.
Canton.
Biology.
Ano po? Ay, doon. Nandun po ang mga estudyante mo. Naalaala ka pa po na nagpadikdik ng mga medicinal plant. Ano po? Kaya, nandun. Kiniklaim ka na nung araw pupunta. Si Ma'am Araceli Palado.
Tumaba na si Ma'am Araceli, oh.
Papadisect mo na ng prank.
Oo. Kaya pag nakita kayong namuri dyan ng mga palaka, yan si Ma'am Araceli Jari. Idadice nila.
Tumaba na siya.
Oh.
Yan. Ang
Asawa ni Ma'am
Bagets siya.
ay ng mga nagsasampa sa
Bagets na bagets.
Camarines Norte. Yun lang.
Sa KT ba natin kumanda?
Aresita G. Andes.
Yan. Palag ko natin. Si Ma'am Andes.
Baka po mayroon pa. Isa pang guro na hanggang ngayon ay nagbabanding.
Hanggang ngayon nagbabanding.
Nasaan na yun? Kanina.
Parang naglilibot po.
Kasi yung mga manlalaro niya, yung atin, pasakayin mo ako sa tilibong. Alam po niya tilibong. Ferris wheel. Pasakayin lang daw siya sa tilibong. Tama na yung regalo. Siya ay champion sa 100-meter dash. At hanggang ngayon, talagang nasa mahilig pa rin may Venus,
Olan.
Sir, marami kang kagamin, Sir. Sir, Venus, Olan.
Nasa na?
Kung bakit tayo ay may free coffee station,
Siya na
siya po
pala.
siya po ang nag-donate ng coffee natin. Hanggang mamayang gabi, magkakape tayo. Wag lang ngayong tanghali kasi sobrang init. Ito ang partner ko. Nung kami ay high school, tuwing uulan, ang tinatawag ay si Mr. Olan. Okay.
Tuwing uulan.
Regional level at national level, ang Kanas nakaproduce ng mga atleta at tayo nakaproduce ng kung ilang gold medals.
Yung Papa Bibi,
Ay, si Ma'am Nicolas, oh.
ang bansa ng Trinidad, yung Papa
Hindi
Bibi.
pa nagbabago. Ano? Hindi nagbago. Hindi nagbago.
Yung Papa Bibi.
Sino yung bago?
Hi!
Hi!
Subscriber ka ni Ate Edna sa New Zealand. Yalaw.
Oh, eto na nga ako.
And Adelaide as well. We're good. We're in good hand.
Siya po
Parang mitrobak tayo na.
Sana, ayun.
baka mayroon pang darating.
Ay, balag tayo.
Okay. Makakaroon po si Mr. De La Cruz,
Ayun.
Jesus De La Cruz. Andiyan kaya?
Sino din ako?
Sila ko.
Wala pa. Yung
Saan yan?
iba,
Alright!
Dali.
Si Imelda Valero Salen ng Barangay Malakbang.
Yay! Kaway.
Hi! Hello! Ako si Lorna Pam. Maganda. Dating gumanda.
From?
Masalong, Labo, Kamaswerte.
Makakagawa ka ng
Oh, ikaw.
Hello! Susan. Susan Ugan.
amore mo.
From?
Baka
Dalaman
Yan. Sir,
So maraming salamat po sa inyo dahil
pangalan. Ayun.
nagsisikap tayo.
Cusito from the last Labo.
Mabigyan kayo. Ng mga naman,
Saka,
mas maganda
pag maulan
ang
naman, pangit ito.
itong roofing system natin para po maging maayos. Maraming salamat po!
Pero,
Nagpalit kayo ng katawan, si kuya mo, malaki, malaki.
Analisa, Balandra, Matakong Sandaran. Mamayang gabi. Oh, nag-advance na ito mamayang gabi. Ata Marquez.
yan ang kabisado ko.
Hindi pa rin nagbago, oh.
Pero maalala mo pa kaya, yan ay antigo na. Antigo lang na siya.
Ganyan na siya, ganyan siya. Oy, Franz! Team song mo yan, team song. Kanta. Sige. May luha ang mata ko. Babalik na din ko! Minsan mo may luha ang mata mo! Team song mo yan, team song mo? Ah, hindi rin.
Hindi ko alam kung ako'y magtatagalog o mag-i-English dito.
English!
I'm glad to be with you this
English!
alumni gathering
Ayun.
is reconnecting.
Yun!
Kung kaya kung may nagsasalita man dito sa unahan, tapos kung kita lang nakikinig,
Naalala kong fourth year tayo. Yung pag-pronounce yung
When
hep.
you want to be a teacher. Why do you
Para?
want to be a teacher? Para makapaglingkod sa kapwa. Tinanongan yun si Juan. O Juan,
Gusto ko
halika.
maging kapwa.
Ano gusto mo paglingkod?
Gusto ko maging tamad.
Ma'am,
Gusto ko maging kapwa.
Maging kapwa.
Para hayahay.
kaya wala sa harap ko ngayon ang gusto lang naman
Si Juan.
kapwa.
Wala si Juan.
All of us would like to serve.
I am honored and grateful to be included in the program to deliver a speech this afternoon. I hope I can give a meaningful message for everybody, to you and to me. I am feeling scared because I might mess up. It's always been a great feeling for me to step inside the campus of my beloved alma mater, the Camarines Norte National Agricultural School. I was thinking about this speech. What should I say? And I figure out the best way for me to keep your attention is to talk about something important to you and to me. I am sure that in your experiences in Camarines Norte National Agricultural School
Ay, makinig daw kayo.
and in majoring in college on deciding what to do in life, I am also sure that people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on. Whether we invested a lot of time and energy in our education, and the people have in us. And let me tell you, the world needs our talent. The world needs a lot, and they need it from us, either young or adult. We need it especially from young people like you are. Because remember this, we got to get out there and we got to give everything we got. Whether it's our time, our talent, or our treasures. So the question is, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? And we have. Most of us are in business relating to agriculture and development. Some are farmers, some are agriculturists, some are teachers, some are visiting nurses, some are practicing physicians, civil engineers, electrical engineers, and so on and so forth. Some of us have money, like Mr. Olan. And some of us have patience. Some of us has the gift of long sufferance. Whatever it is, whatever your gift is, what are you going to do? You feel passionate about. Take chances professionally. Don't be afraid to fail, to dream big. But to dream big. This. Dreams without goals are just dreams. And ultimately becomes a disappointment. So have dreams and have goals. Like yearly goals, life goals, monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. Let's understand that to achieve our goals, we must apply discipline. We have to work at it persistently. Every day we have to plan. There is a saying that we don't plan to fail, but simply fail to plan. Working really hard and smart is what successful people do. Successful people are people who do the things unsuccessful people refuse to do. I remember what Michael Jordan of the Chicago Bulls once said, and I quote, "I missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot, but I missed. I failed in Ogano. Don't confuse movement with progress. My grade school teacher once told me, you can run in place all the time, but never get anywhere. So continue to have goals, continue to have progress. Pay forward. Thomas Edison conducted 1,000 failed experiments, but because of 1001 experiment was the light bulb that we have now.
Ay, ang sarap, kulang! At ngayon po, ang pinakahihintay, ang dinner. Ayan na, ayan na. Yun, naiwan si Franz. Yun ano, dinner.
Request nila.
Ayan na, oh, ang haba na po ng pila.
O sige, thank you for this.
Oh, basta kabats, makipila ka na doon sa kabats.